Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the major causes of tire leaks in the area I live in, which is a nice rusty corrosion prone spot. So what we've got here is an aluminum rim that is heavily corroded where the tire and the rim meet. So if you look right in here and right in here, that's where your tire and your rim seal together on your typical automotive pneumatic tire. So what we've got here is a bunch of corrosion and nastiness, and when the rim starts to get like that, it lets air leak anywhere there's corrosion. So this one is pretty bad. Now I've heard that in a southern environment they'll just replace rims that are like this, but around here it's fairly common to clean this rim up, get it to where it seals again, and as long as it's not cracked or overly thinned out, use it again. You may notice I'm wearing a mask. It's not for COVID. It's because the dust that's coming off of this thing is nasty. So I always wear a mask when I'm doing this. If I don't, I honestly get sick. So whatever's coming off of here is not good for you. You want to wear a mask, something to protect your lungs and the rest of your body. So all I'm going to do is get started with, and there are multiple different ways to do this. I'm going to use a wire wheel, which, you know, maybe it's not the greatest thing to use on an aluminum wheel, but we've been using this for, well, decades in this shop now, so it does work. I'm not going to run the camera the whole time, but all I'm going to do, the area I want to clean is where the tire and the rim meet. So I'll show you that once I get it done, but I don't really care about in here. I don't really care about like up here on the top side where it's really nasty. I don't care about that. That doesn't affect the tire sealing. Alright, so that's kind of what we're looking for when we're done. Nice, clean, shiny aluminum up through the whole area where the tire is going to sit. There's a little bit of bead sealer left on there in spots, but there's no corrosion, so she should be good to go.